Oh my gosh. Let's go. I got 2 apples. Sliced them up into little small pieces, nice and small like that. Lemon, and squeeze it right over your apples. Toss. Brown sugar, cinnamon, mix that together. Take about 4 tablespoons of this and set it aside. I'm gonna take the rest and sprinkle it over the apples. Nutmeg, ginger, and a little bit more cinnamon. Combine the apples with the seasoning. Set this aside. 4 eggs. Vegetable oil, vanilla, sour cream. I'm just too lazy to get the blender out. I'm using a whisk. 1 box of classic yellow cake mix. Whisk again, nice and thick. Damn it. Into 9x13. Sprinkle them all over. Ooh, look how drippy it's getting. And go back and forth. Kind of swirl it all together. Hold it. Put of this cinnamon sugar mixture. Sprinkle it all over. I'm gonna go this way. Rustic. Going to the party, to the apple orchard party. The oven, oh my gosh, so good. It's so moist because of the sour cream. Here's my apple cake. Oh, it's so good. Moist, bouncy. Thanksgiving worthy. You don't need to wait till Thanksgiving. You just need to make it.